Hi, my name is Muhammad Azrul Fahmi, and I will tell you about the introduction. Our project was about do a research from some article about cruise control. There are 10 articles that have been researched. Each article had different idea and different meaning of cruise control system. The main objective of this research was about to find the meaning cruise control system and project that use this system. Let's hear from my friends the more details about this research.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Shaharuddin. Okay, today I will explain you about the cruise control system. What is cruise control system? Cruise control system, which is sometimes known as a speed control or auto cruise or temperament in some countries, is a system that automatically controls the speed of a motor vehicle. The system is servo mechanism that takes over the throttle of the car to maintain steady speed as set by the driver. Okay, now I will explain you about the what you call that. Okay, the importance of the cruise control. The important is its usefulness for long driver, which is improving comfort by allowing positioning charge more safely across highway and especially populated routes. Some drivers used to avoid subconsciously violating speed limit. A driver who otherwise tends to subconsciously increase speed over the course of a highway journey may avoid speeding. Okay, next I will explain you what you call that, the input, the output, controller, actuator, plan, and a sensor of the cruise control system. Okay, for the input we set it like the set speed of car. Okay, and the controller we put proportional to error signal and proportional integrator of error. The actuator pula, the actuator total control, the plan, engine, and the transmission. And last but not least, the sensor is we use vehicle speed sensor. So the output is the speed of car. Okay. Then next I will show you the draw basic block diagram of the cruise control system. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's show you just now the block diagram, and we can see it. The block diagram is used what I call that? The closed loop system. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you for listening. Bye.
Okay, Assalamualaikum. I'm Muhammad Khairi bin Hasim, and from question 3B, we were asked to find the advantage about from various articles. So, to make it short, I will tell the advantage from article comparison of a linear and a hybrid adaptive cruise controller for a smart by Daniel Corona and Bart De Schutter. You can find this article from Scopus.com. Okay, for the advantage, first, improving the traffic flow by maximizing the throughput of a road section. Second, it will increase the safety of a passenger of the road. Third, comfortable for passenger to control the vehicle. Next will be the guideline for a hybrid and linear MPC. Last but not least, one of the solution for vehicle problems such as fuel consumption and reduction for long-term mechanical stress. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Ilmam bin Awang Tajuddin. In previous video, my friend has tell you about the advantage of for the article comparison of the linear and a hybrid adaptive cruise controller for a smart, written by Daniele Corona and Bart De Schutter. Okay, so now for the disadvantage is, firstly, the controller problem occur when testing hybrid behavior of the gearbox and piece C5. Secondly is bigger problem will happen when the model were more accurate. Thirdly is several issues such as sensor system, the actuator, delay, and the resources of the onboard must be ignored to abandon this system. So that's all for the disadvantage.
Hi guys, my name is Harirajan. So previously my friend has talked about how the cruise control system is work. So now I will show you guys how the cruise control system, the open loop and closed loop system will work in Simulink. So let's take a look.
Okay, this is our open loop system. Oh, sorry. After we transfer all the values for numerator and denominator in our Simulink transfer function, okay, then what we get for the graph? Need to play first. Okay, then we look auto save. Okay, this is the graph when we use the transfer function, and this look like over them or maybe under them. We cannot say because we don't know where the graph is oscillate or over them. So for this time we need to use I use the type of method to verify whether it's over them or under them by using the root locus method. Okay, let's see. Okay, this one is transfer function using the coding in MATLAB. Okay, just a wait. We will get the graph same like when we use Simulink. Yeah, it's exactly the same. Okay, so just the graph is same, so we can find here the peak response, settling time, and rise time and steady state. For now, I'm just going to tell about settling time. Rise time. So yes, here the rise time. The rise time for the open loop we get 42.2. Okay, so we take a look what we get on when we use R locus to identify whether what type of graph is this. Okay, just move this because this is just close this because this is for transfer function. So okay, go on. Okay, you can see here what is okay. The poles are in the right side of the graph, so left side of the graph, so we can conclude that this is stable, the graph is stable. So the poles are in the x-axis, we can conclude that as this graph is over damped. Yes, this graph is over damped for the open loop system. Okay, now we can see the closed loop system. Okay, this will be the closed loop system. We use PID controller. Okay, the PID controller is normally the system is like this. Okay, but for Simulink we just use PID controller, so the value we should use proportional, integral, and derivative. We just need to substitute these values, change these values to get the graph in over damped or critical. The best graph is critically damped, but to get the critically damped is very hard, so we can also use under damped or over damped. Okay, now whether we see what we get. Okay, after screen, so we get graph cannot say what graph is this because it looks like over them and also under them. So for this part, for closed loop, we also need to use same as our locus. So just go to here. Okay, then use this transfer function. This is for closed loop system. I just use transfer function so we can see the graph just like the graph we get in Simulink. Okay, so now we can use this to get the rise time. Okay, rise time for this system is 1.09 second. Okay, from here we can conclude the closed loop is better than the open loop, because for open loop we get 40 above the second. So it's about taking long time to accelerate the car, but in closed loop the PID controller is helped to rise acceleration more faster than the open loop system. Okay, but we need to see whether what is this system. Okay, just use our locus. Just close this. Okay, control all, evaluate. Okay, we get the graph. Yeah, that is our locus. Okay, the system is still stable. Why? Because the poles are in the left side of the graph. Okay, but the system shows it's under there because the poles are in the x negative imaginary values. Poles are imaginary values. Yep. Okay, so I think that's all from me.
Hi, we met again. As you can hear before from my friend, we can conclude from this research was about to make a comparison between all articles that had suggestions and the other articles that found in the website. This research was comparing the use, meaning, and name of the cruise control system. Besides that, each author state in their articles the advantage and disadvantage of their system. Students had able to get the information about the type of cruise control system and could make a summary of all systems that had been studied. Cruise control system was a system that makes something easier, but yet it still had good and bad of using it. Thank you.